coming? I want to know when is it coming. I need to get my baby. I need to hold my baby. I need to hold my baby.
It's going to be soon.
When is
But
soon?
you know
Soon.
it's not been easy to be pregnant with your baby.
I know.
Even now I have some crazy craving. I am
you've been
craving.
trying. I know you've been trying.
I am craving.
What are you craving? Don't worry, I'll do it for you. Anything. Just tell me.
Anything?
I'll get it for you. You know, it's not things that you eat. I just got this one now. Just tell me.
I'm craving a Mercedes-Benz.
Eh?
A Mercedes-Benz.
What did you say?
A Mercedes-Benz. You know the car, 4 wheels.
You're not normal. do I have a Mercedes-Benz?
Are you pregnant?
No, do I even have a Volkswagen?
Am I not the one?
No, do I have a Volkswagen? Now I'm asking you, do I have a Volkswagen? You are asking me for Mercedes-Benz when I don't even have Volkswagen. You are not serious, oh?
But I'm carrying your baby.
And
You
so
could have
what?
carried the
And
baby
so what does it take to carry a baby? Give it to me now. Give it to me to carry.
Okay, it's
You are-
okay.
you are-
What I will do is I will cancel the appointment with Home Affairs tomorrow. You want me to cancel the appointment?
I'm even
tomorrow?
tired of the kind home office you are using to threaten me. I'm tired. Every time home office, home office. When you go there, they say system is down, system is down. I'm tired.
It's not my fault and
this
the
is
system
this
is
is the
offline.
7th time I'm going to head of home office. You are using it to blackmail me. If you don't want to give birth, tell me. What is all this thing? You want Mercedes-Benz? When me, I don't have ordinary Volkswagen. My friend, if you don't want to give birth, tell me. You stop scaring me with home office. I have other means to get my papers. You want Mercedes? You will soon want you want Ferrari. No, I will give you Lamborghini because you are carrying Jesus Christ.
This system is offline. We leave a lot of us with no Mercedes-Benz now.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Subscription is free. Mahala.